children from being in a court with grown-ups. In this case, all the hearings regarding her arrest have been in open doors. And now the court, although the prosecution says that they don't care that we continue with open doors, the court decided to close doors because they think that it's not good for Ahed. And what I think is that the court doesn't think it's good for the court to have all of you inside of it. So they were looking for a time and place in order to take all the people inside court out of it, so that you cannot carry on watching her trial and what is going on in it. What is important is to say the judge said that that we couldn't give a good explanation why the door should be open. But the fact is that the right to have closed doors is of the minor, not of the court. And if the minor and her parents want the court to be in open doors, then that's what's best for her. And the court, in this case, shouldn't decide what is best for her. I think the decision of the court is because the court decided what is good for the court and not what is good for Ahed. They understand that people outside of a military court are interested in Ahed's case. They understand that her rights are being infringed and her trial is something that shouldn't be happening. So the way to keep it out of everybody's eyes is to close doors and not allow people inside the court for her hearings.
What happens now?
So I have to go. Well, today there's going to be preliminary hearings. I'm going to argue that the occupation is illegal, and so this court cannot be holding trials because of the illegality of occupation. And then we will get into the indictment to show how the indictment in itself is it is an indictment with that only wants to deter Ahed and other young people from resisting occupation nonviolently.
If you had one word for this trial and the trial of Ahed Tamimi, what would it be?
The occupation should end, and Israel should go out without bringing children to keeping children in detention and bringing them to a court of occupation.
They're waiting for you.
So, and I have to go. Sorry.
אנחנו לא שמענו את בבקשה. תני לנו שני משפטים בבקשה.
בית המשפט החליט לסגור דלתיים לתיק. בית המשפט קבע שבמקרה הזה...
But what happened? Like in the short version, like 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Please. Just we will have...